Here at Callaway Cars USA, we can bring this beautiful supercharged 480 horsepower Callaway Super Truck right to your driveway. It's a simple to purchase a brand new Silverado Callaway SC480 that's 480 horsepower under your right foot. That is warranted at any Chevrolet dealer, United States or Canada. Those beautiful 20-inch graphite Callaway wheels. The 9-spoke wheel has the Callaway embossed right there, the Callaway center caps, and then that dual outlet exhaust. Sounds great, looks great. The whole truck is put together so well, supercharged under the hood. Love that front end, Callaway badging right on the grill. This truck has the remote start. You can start it up, hear that exhaust. Little condensation coming right out of there. That's a great sound. Put your foot on that, you'll love the sound. Double cab, Z71, 4-wheel drive, loaded up inside. It's got heated seats, the real bucket seats with the nice bigger center console, the wireless charging, all the apps, navigation. You can project your Apple phone or Android phone right on the screen. Parking sensors. It's got it all. Steering wheel controls, tow haul mode, integrated trailer, electric brakes, power seats, lots of room. This double cab, brand new 2018, 480 horsepower. This is the way to roll. 4-wheel drive, brand new. Come and get it. A Callaway